Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco 218049. This is the anti-riser roller assembly for their GT series sliding doors. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item as soon as I can get it out. A little bit fused together. Okay, here's the wheel. It's heavy, weighs 0.66 pounds. At least it does with its bolt package. Okay, so this is what the wheel looks like. You can see that it has that crowned over feature to it. Now let's make with the dimensional properties. The diameter of the wheel, and we're just able to get to it with my caliper, 2.703. 2.703. Okay. The thickness of the wheel, .788. 0.788 thickness. 2.703 on the outside. I'm going to give you the dimension of what it would be on the interior side or on the outside of the wheel as best I can, just to have an idea of what the crown would be. I'm going to say it's about 2.572. 2.572. Got your bolt package here, your hex cap bolt, your star washer, and your nut. Let's take a dimensional property of that bolt. Overall length of the bolt, and it's a fine thread, that's for sure. And I don't mean put together well. 1.228. 1.228 from the shoulder to the end of the bolt. 1.228. The outside diameter of this bolt, 0.368. 0.368. As you can see, that is quite a fine thread that's there. 0.368. 3/8 24 maybe, a guess. Gyrotech Nabco, I would firmly believe that they're not using metric, so 3/8 24 would probably be my guess on what that would be. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. The mounting disc, that outside diameter is 1.561, 1.561 from here to here. Then the dimension from the hole to the edge, you can see what I'm measuring, 0.255. 0.255 from the nearest edge to the inside of the hole, 0.255. Okay, that link below this video will allow you at least to see all of the other Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 218049 GT anti-riser roller assembly or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.